Happy Monday, you guys. I hope you had a great weekend and got some fresh air and sunshine. We are starting a new unit today, so I'm excited about this. I think everybody's ready for a break from algebra. I think it went well for some of you. I think writing the expressions was a little bit tough, but we'll revisit that, and you'll see it again in 6th grade and 7th grade and 8th grade. So don't worry about it if you were struggling a little bit. It's really hard to teach and learn that skill when we're not face-to-face. So take a deep breath and know it's all good. We will get back there, and you guys are all doing a great job. So our new unit is going to be talking about area and perimeter and volume and surface area and nets. And so area, perimeter, and volume all sound probably pretty familiar. Surface area and nets are going to be a newer skill, so we're really just going to take some time with this. I have a project plan for this to try just some different technology stuff because you guys are rocking it so well. So today we're just going to ease our way into it and do a quick shape review. Your learning target is I can describe and classify 2 and 3D figures. So first, when we talk about 2D figures, I want you to remember that 2D means that they're flat. They don't have any spatial things about them. It's what you would draw on paper. And so in this unit specifically, we are going to focus on triangles, rectangles, and squares. That's going to kind of be the big 3 shapes that you're going to need to know, understand, and be able to apply the different skills to. The rest of the shapes, I want you to kind of remember them, obviously, because they're important, but at the same time, they're not the ones that we're going to be using to find surface area or volume or anything like that. So pentagons and rhombuses and trapezoids and hexagons and octagons and all that good stuff. This is just a good review for some of you who just kind of forgot from 3rd and 4th grade. So 3D shapes, the ones that have the box in yellow around them are the 2 things that we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about, just to switch my color here. We're going to talk about prisms and pyramids throughout this unit. The ones that we're specifically going to look at are the triangular prisms, the cube, and the rectangular prisms, these ones that I have highlighted in green. We won't talk a lot about the pentagonal, hexagonal, or octagonal prisms, other than that they are prisms because they're 3D. They're something that we can hold in our hand, and that we can't just draw flat on paper. When it comes to pyramids, what I want you guys to remember about pyramids is whatever the base shape is, so whatever shape is on the bottom of these is how it is named. So the first one says triangular pyramid because the base is a triangle. The second one is a rectangle, so it's a rectangular pyramid. The third one is a square, so it's a square pyramid. So pyramids are different because they use triangles as their side, and we name them by their base, where prisms, we name them by their overall shape. So pyramids are different because we name them by their base. Prisms we name by their overall shape. The reason why this bottom area, it says curved solids, is in red is because we don't talk about circles at all in 5th grade, and actually you don't talk about them in 6th grade either. It doesn't mean it's not good for you to know them. So a sphere, obviously you guys know what that is. A cone and cylinders are all 3-dimensional shapes that are considered a curved solid, but like I said, we don't talk about those in 5th grade or even 6th grade next year, and being that we're distance learning, I'm not going to throw extra information at you. So just know that this unit is going to talk about prisms, like I said, and pyramids, and specifically you need to think about triangles, rectangles, and squares. Okay, that's okay. Your homework is linked below or back in Google Classroom. This should be super short and sweet. I just want to make sure everybody has watched the video, has a good quick refresh on shapes, and we can dive in tomorrow. Have a good night, you guys. We'll talk to you soon.